We're going to play a little game today.
Okay, cool. Agree or disagree?
And the other partner must say what they think. First topic, joint budgets and bank accounts.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, because your money is my money and my money is my money. Share your budgets, share your money.
Yeah.
Open phone policy.
Hell no. Yes, of course.
I trust you, but I know that if I at any moment want to check something on your phone, I can pick it up and
That's
have a
it.
look. Location sharing.
No.
You know that I can find you on
Yeah,
your
true
iPhone, eh?
story. 100%. If you need to, so be it. I don't give a damn.
Yeah.
You know where I am most of the time in any case.
So we share our locations live all the time, every time, all day, every day. Nappy bri.
Fuck no.
Why not?
What has gotten into men? Why are men not men? What is a nappy bra? What even is that? Let the girls do their thing and dudes be dudes. Cool.
I suppose men are more involved in their children's lives these
No.
days. We agree to disagree. Next topic. Girls' night or boys' night out?
Yes. No.
No. I would rather be with my husband, even if it's in bed on a Saturday night watching a movie, than being out with girls.
We're getting old. That sounds good. But true story. There's the girls' night and boys' night. Why? Why do you need to have a boys' night? Why do you need to have a girls' night? That, to me, personal opinion, you're trying to escape something. I do everything with her, and that's how we roll.
And that's how we always all roll.
Cool.